Spaghetti dinner. So has spaghetti been popular tonight?
Not so far tonight, but it's usually much more popular.
Yeah. So a slower night?
Yeah.
Looks yummy. What we got in there? Meatballs?
And marinara sauce.
Uh-huh.
And whatever they want for sauce.
There you go. And then what's that in the little
This is
container on top?
garlic bread.